folktales. So folktales is the stories that have been passed by elder generation to the younger generation in the form of a speech through many years. So these folktales have different types. So what are the types of folktales? We have trickster tales. So trickster tales is a story in which an animal tricks his or her other animals. So they are like fooling each other. So they're tricking with each other. Since trickster is, tricking means trickster. So next we have Porky. So Porky is the stories in which tells the origin of a king, or it can be anything as long as it is the origin of all things. For example, the origin of an animal. So next we have the tall tales. So this tall tales is about, or it is a story in which protagonists are the main aid of a story performs a superhuman power, magic. Next we have Joe. So Joe is a story in which it is about a simple tones or a nonsense, in which means it is a stupid or no common sense character. So it's like Mr. Bean, since Mr. Bean is acting like weird, right? So that is the example of Joe. Next is we have the fairy tales, the very popular fairy tales. So the examples are Cinderella, Snow White. So this story, yes, you're very good. So fairy tales is about a story in which a lot of magic have happened. Next is we have the talking beast stories, or animal talking beast, meaning obviously it's a beast, or it is in which a character or the main character are animals. So why do we even study, or why are we even learning? Why does folktales is important? So folktales is important since naturally it tells about our culture. It reflects our culture, and it develops our public awareness, or it develops our communication with each other. So folktales is important. Like this girl. So what do you see in this image? The girl with the well, it looks like a shoe. Yes, shoe. So who's this? Yes, right. And who is this? Princess. Do you want to know her story? Alright. Did you like? Yes. Yes. So Cinderella is about a girl who has a father who had died. And she had been put into her a stepmother with evil sister, two evil sisters. So after year passed. Cinderella had been bullied by her stepsister. So she just follow all of her rules and obeys all the rules of her mother. And then the prince, or the father of the prince, have decided to have a party for all the young girls. And then Cinderella would like to come, but her stepsister stops her, since she has still a lot of things to do in her house. So Cinderella she, walked by the forest, and then she saw the fairy godmother. So this fairy godmother commands or sinunod lahat ng wish niya, and then she became a light princess. She turns out to be a princess for one night only, and then in exchange of that, she needs to go home in their house at like exactly 12 o'clock. So when Cinderella went to the party, she had Prince capture his attention. So when Cinderella and Prince have a chance to dance, Prince can help himself but fall in love with the princess. So in that night, we can all say that love is really love at first sight. So Cinderella and Prince fall in love with each other at that night. But unfortunately, Cinderella needs to go home by 12. But then Prince really wants to talk to her. So while Cinderella run as fast as she can, and then she lost her shoe in the stair, and that is the evidence, or that is what that part means. So a day had passed. Prince have been looking, or Prince look for Cinderella by the use of the shoe. Then a lot of girls had tried, but then Cinderella really had or fits the shoe. Then that is when Prince and Cinderella